Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. I'm Todd Colchin with Colchin Automotive. Let's take a look at windshield wipers. This time of year, winter, you need good wipers. To change them, it's similar on most cars, but not the same. This is a 2001 Subaru. Here's how to do it. There's this little plastic lever here. Hold the wiper blade at about a 30 or 40 degree angle. Push that in and you slide back. Now it's comes disengaged from this U-shaped mechanism right here. You go to the auto parts store, you buy wipers that are for your year, make and model of car, and you do it like this. So one thing I want to caution you about is this arm being up like this. When you're dealing with the wiper, don't leave this unattended. Set it down on the glass gently. I made the mistake of not doing that one time. The arm fell down on its own and it cracked the windshield. So changing wipers can get a little costly if you're not careful. New wipers, again, you put it through the slot like that, and then you pull it up, and it makes a snapping noise, a popping noise. Make sure it's engaged so it doesn't come off. Set this down gently. Repeat on the other side. If you have problems or can't get the job done on your own and you have your own wipers, we're happy to install them for you if you have questions about that. Please call us, Colchin Automotive. Thank you.